is Ori from Circuit, and I'm going to show you how to quickly install Google Analytics or add Google Analytics. Okay, so first thing you want to do, of course, is have a website, a domain, or a subdomain. Second thing is you're going to have a Google account. You log into the Google account, you go to analytics.google.com, and you click on sign up. Okay, so in this example, what we're going to do is set up a test subdomain we made with the WordPress site, which is basically this. It's a temporary site just for this video only, which we'll remove later. Just a simple WordPress site. Okay, so we go back and we want to actually register right now a website, or you can actually register a mobile app to have mobile app analytics, but we're showing the actual website. So now we need to set up an account name. So let's just call it Circuit, and the website name would be, in this case, we made one called Analytics Circuit. Let's just call it Analytics Circuit, and we need to fill in the type of domain. So Analytics, the actual website. Okay. Now, if you have a www or a non-www, you can basically call it one version unless you want two different accounts to track or two different views, but you need to fill up your domain itself. This is just for comparison information, so you can select your industry category. It's basically used for the account itself. There's nothing, it does not affect anything in the data itself. Okay, so let's go here, let's just select business. Okay, what is your time zone itself, and do you want to share anonymous information with Google for them to improve their service, or do you want to keep everything to yourself? For us, we can just keep it this way. Really nice thing about Google Analytics for companies that share that is you can actually share benchmarking information. So based on the category you selected, you can actually see other companies that are in your industry, in your specific type. How do they compare with you? And so that'll allow you to actually check out the benchmarking and see if you're doing in comparison to your competitors or similar industries good or not based on traffic, things like that. So it's a really nice thing to share and to receive. Okay, and then click on Get Tracking ID. So you need to read the terms and conditions, they confirm, etc. Okay, so let's go. That, okay, and 1 second. What happened here? Okay, for some reason the window is a little small. Okay, let's drag it. Sorry about that. Okay, perfect. So now we're actually going to have to follow the instructions that are right here. Okay, you'll have some more detail here, but basically we need, in order to get data from Google Analytics, we need to copy and paste this JavaScript code right here on every single page. Okay, so very, very simple. After the opening body tag, copy this. Okay, so we're going to copy it right now, and depending on which platform you have, you're going to have to do it in a different way. But for WordPress, you basically go to the editor, and we're gonna go to the header section, and right before the body tag, let's see here, right after the opening body tag, excuse me, right here, let's paste it in. Okay, if we save it, now when we refresh the page, the code should be there. Okay, so let's look at it. Analytics. Okay, let's go down here, and here it is right here. So we can confirm. Now, after you do that, you're going to go back to Analytics. Okay, and now the data should be receiving. Right now it says 1 active user. So the best way to really confirm that is to go to reporting, go to real time, click on overview, and visit the site. You remember I visited the site before, so there's a bar right here. I visited the home page. So if I go here again, let's say click on the Hello World page, okay, another visit is right here, and I can see my active page. So I know it's confirmed now, we're good to go. So once you actually do that, now you're going to start to gather data. So now it's on all pages. If you have a different platform, Magento or HTML, you're going to have to ask your web guy to actually go and insert it right after the body tag. Pretty simple, not much to it. A few other things that are important for setup. One is user management. sometimes you want to share this account with other people. So what you have to do is understand the difference between account, property, and view. So basically, account is more like a big picture. So you're going to have sub properties inside. So maybe you have a business that just has one website. So you would have one account, and inside there would be one property, and inside there would be one view. Sometimes you might have, let's say, a multinational company with websites in different countries. So the UK website, the US, etc. So you're probably going to want to set one account for the business name and multiple properties. You can add a new property right there, and then you're going to have to copy and paste different analytics code, right? So wherever your actual ID is, you're going to have to copy that differently in different sections. And then views are sub-views. They're typically filters or different types of views inside. So if you have a simple website, don't worry about it. If you do want to have different types of filters or different ways to view your data, you're first always going to want to keep one unfiltered data, which is always called all website data. And then later you can create different ones with views and filters, filtering out your company ID, filtering out certain pages, certain actions, etc. Okay, so after user management and after you create these account, property, and views, a few other things that are very good to do: link your AdWords data if you run ads to analytics, link AdSense, link in all products, link Search Console. Okay, so Search Console shows you more information about your business, or excuse me, your website. So you want to link those, which is pretty simple. You're just going to click on link, confirm the account, and you're ready to go. Other things that are pretty important. Let's see here. Okay, referral exclusion list. Sometimes you want to actually exclude goals and conversions from other websites, from other external areas. Okay, so we'll actually create a video for that. Apologize for that, it's a little more advanced. So for this video, I think we can exclude it, but I'll definitely create a video for that in the future for it. Other things that are important for setup. Okay, let's go here to the specific view and settings. Okay, so again, here's where you can modify the settings we created. You can change currencies. You can exclude some spam, add some spam filtering, which is a good thing to do. And if you have things like site search, you can set those up, which we've created a video how to do that. And you can set up your goals, right? So the conversions, forms filled out, e-commerce goals, certain steps, you can set those up, which you can see in some other videos we created. Turn on e-commerce conversion tracking, which is very important, which also we have another video. And that's it. So hope you enjoyed this video. Please let me know if you have a specific question about a specific setting, and we'll continue to create more videos about specifics. Thank you.